Lo aggiungi, lo aggiungi, lo aggiungi, lo aggiungi. Para, aggiungi, torte, para, lo aggiungi, tazze, para, lo aggiungi, carne.
Gazpacho, a summertime treat. Gazpacho is a cold soup. It's perfect for hot days. This recipe is chunky and full of flavor. Cumin adds a warm, earthy taste. You can make it in minutes.
Italiano, piccantino, Genova, Calabria.
For this delicious gazpacho, you'll need 4 large ripe tomatoes, 1 cucumber, 1 green bell pepper, half a red onion, 1 clove of garlic, 1 slice of stale bread with the crust removed, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and of course salt and pepper to taste. First things first, wash all your veggies. Then, chop the tomatoes, cucumber, bell pepper, and onion into small pieces. Mince the garlic clove and tear the bread into small chunks. Now put half of the chopped veggies in a blender. Add the garlic, bread, olive oil, vinegar, cumin, salt, and pepper. Blend until almost smooth. Stir in the remaining chopped veggies. Taste and add more salt and pepper if needed. Cover and chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Serve your gazpacho cold. You can add a dollop of sour cream or a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Enjoy!
Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen. Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen, where our cozy farm kitchen brings you healthy, delicious, and globally inspired recipes. With a love for Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine's vibrant flavors and nutritional goodness, we make it simple to enjoy wholesome, flavorful meals at home. Whether you're recreating comforting classics or trying something new, our recipes are perfect for every season. Let's share the joy of good food, health, and togetherness from our kitchen to yours. The Mediterranean diet promotes a plant-based, well-balanced diet that emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods, with an emphasis on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and healthy fats, especially from sources like olive oil. It integrates the 9 major dietary groups. Moderate dairy consumption is encouraged, while fish and poultry are favored over red meat. Numerous health advantages, such as a lower risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and several types of cancer, are linked to this dietary habit. The diet's emphasis on nutrient-dense meals, good fats, moderate protein quantities, and an overall balanced approach, rather than rigorous calorie counting, is largely responsible for its success. ChatGPT version, a taste of tradition, herbs and spices in Middle Eastern food culture. The vibrant and aromatic cuisine of the Middle East is famous for its rich tapestry of herbs and spices. Rooted in centuries of trade routes and cultural exchange, these flavors have evolved and spread across the region, weaving together a distinctive culinary identity. Below, we explore the importance of herbs and spices in Middle Eastern food culture and highlight how they shape beloved dishes.